we had a lot of moments like that, and that were totally improvised. But when you're improvising, you both know, if you're good actors know that we don't have to do any more. I mean, we just got it. I mean, we just hit it. I mean, let's move on. I mean, that doesn't mean it's a great scene. It just means it's a good scene. But it's real, and it was honest, and we had a hell of a lot of fun. I mean, what makes audiences like that film, the reason it's had such an afterlife, is that you're watching people have the time of their life, and they're not faking it. You know, I've been on a lot of pictures where sometimes it's tough, you know. I mean, you're not with it in terms of just getting along with people. It's just a tough film to have a lot of fun, you know. But that picture was never work to me. I mean, it was just fun.